Hey guys! Yes! It's been a hot minute since I've been making YouTube videos because I've been working like every single day of the week. And I've been very tired. But today I'm like, haven't uploaded in a while. I might as well upload and, probably you guys miss me or something. I don't know. But, yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a fun, cool eyeshadow eye look. I don't know. Let's just get right into this. I got a new palette, the Hot Sport palette by Morphe, which my boyfriend got me. Thank you so much. And I'm going to be using, okay, first let me just like hold up. Let me use this brush, and I'm using Wave Maker, and I'm putting it in like the inner part of my eye because we're doing that today. That's so dark. Yay! We're going goth. It's like, we're not. Let's like make it look cute. I'm trying to like, I'm not even going anywhere today, but I want to look cute for nobody. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade called Babe's Night Out. Here, it's like a light pink, and putting it in the middle part of my eyeball. Okay, cool. Next step. Now I'm going back in with Wave Maker with the crease brush again. This one here, and putting it on the outer part of my eye. Just like that. And then this eye. Just putting it back in my inner part of my eye to just like match it. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this short little eye tutorial makeup fun video, and I'm going to try post as much as I can. It's just, girl, I've been called like every single day of the week to come in. I'm like, I'm not gonna say no because like money, but yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm sorry if I don't upload, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe down there and tell me which part, comment which part was the best part of the video. Don't forget to give it a like, and see you guys till next time. Bye guys.